Did you know that people have been building forts for hundreds of years? A fort is a place that's built that's safe and secure for you to stay in. There's many different kinds of forts. Here are a few different ones.
Fort Independence is the oldest fort built in the United States of America. It's in Massachusetts, and it was built in 1634. In 1819, Fort Snelling was built in Minnesota. That makes it over 200 years old. This is Fort Knox, and it is in Kentucky. It's known for having the most secure vault in the world. The vault within this fort is said to hold $261.6 billion of our country's gold. That's the world's largest amount of gold.
Those were forts that were built by adults. Here are a few that are built by kids.
Here's a fort that kids made out of sheets and pillows. Here's another fort made out of sheets and pillows and some chairs. You can make a fort out of pillows and cushions. You can make a fort out of a box. Here's a fort that was made in our outdoor classroom, made out of sticks. And here's an example of how to make a fort for your stuffed animals with a couple chairs, a couple pillows, and a blanket.
So today's STEM challenge is for you to build a fort for either yourself or a stuffed animal. Here are your instructions.
For the Build a Fort STEM challenge, you are to design and build a safe and secure fort for you or your stuffed animal. For the materials, you can use anything. You can use blankets and pillows and chairs or tables or sticks or boxes. Use your imagination and come up with a cool, safe and secure fort.
Here's the fort that I built for my little Puma. I used some sticks and bark for some shade in the back, and then I used my Team Hire shirt for some shade in the front. Now, he's all comfortable and ready to hear a story. Whether you build your fort inside or outside, make sure it's safe and secure before you go into it. Then, once you're in, read a book to yourself or your stuffed animal. Don't forget to send a picture of your fort to your teacher. Have a great day building and reading.